should have never came here.
My crew looking like the Bee Gees, walking on the street, we staying alive. No, we ain't never sleep, still we living out these sweet dreams. Hit another.
Good morning. Hi. If you're new here, my name is xoNorkor. If you're coming back, what's good? Good morning. Today is Saturday, the something of September. And I'm going hiking to a waterfall in Ibury. If anybody asked me when was the last time I exercised, I actually cannot answer that question objectively. I simply, my memory fails me. Anyway, we're gonna do that. We're gonna go to the mall, meet with the people that I'm going with, and we're gonna go hiking. I think we're gonna go see a waterfall as well. I ain't never seen no waterfall in a breeze, so we're gonna do that. Getting an Uber now. It's almost 7 o'clock. The weather looks like it might be a vibe today, so yeah, we're gonna go. I'm gonna take y'all with me if y'all want. I don't know, but I do need to put on some sunscreen. Hold on.
Acércate más, un poco más. Tu forma de actuar me hace vibrar. Yo ya no tengo escapatoria. Tú me borras en la memoria. La noche que yo te vi pasar. Empezamos a bailar.
Hi guys. So we're at the Botanical Gardens. I'm here with Prince. Prince, you want to say hi?
Hi guys.
We're waiting for Samta. She's late. Samta, you are late. And you're wasting our time. But yeah, let me show y'all what we're working with, okay?
My crew looking like the Bee Gees, walking on the street, we staying alive. No, we ain't never sleep, still we living out these sweet dreams. Hit another beat, please play it out loud. The crowd saying, well, you're rhythmic, tell me are you with me? Teaming like a split screen, we been around. Get you on the dance floor, what you making plans for? You ain't got an answer, let it all out.
I see you even with my eyes closed. I see you even when the light goes. I see you everywhere that I flow. And I see you, I see you. I see you even with my eyes closed. I see you even when
How many minutes to the waterfall? That's it.
6.
Hey.
Six.
There.
I don't know how fast you can walk.
We should have never came here. I could be sleeping by now, boys and girls. But Prince said we should come back, so here we are.
Prince. Never listen to Prince, ever.
We're about to approach the waterfalls. It's about a 6-minute.
That's what they said. It's not 6 minutes.
Allegedly. Allegedly 6 minutes. So we're getting a walk.
The times when I went wrong, what you know about JJ? How'd we end up in the same place? And will we get up on the same wave? Tell me your mistakes, babe. I don't care about your pay grade. I just wanna feel alive till the day breaks.
I see you even with my eyes closed. I see you even when the light goes. I see you everywhere that I flow. And I see you, I see you. I see you even with my eyes closed. I see you even when the light goes. I see you everywhere that I flow. And I see you, I see you, yeah.
That feels so good. Oh my god.
When I touch down in your city, first thing gotta hit her up. I'm a man, I'm on a mission, mama. Yeah, you know I'm never giving up. A couple niggas throwing ones and staying down. Told me, boy, she's gone forever, but I keep waiting till you come around. Tell me what else can I do? I keep dreaming about you, but they've been sleeping on you. And the money, you know that it's true, and the money, your money.
To everybody who had doubt in me and my team, I just want you to know we did it, and we did it in style. Don't show what they're doing right now, but we did it in style.
We did it! It would have been done. High five, Nokor.
Good. Hiking is about getting to the end of the trail, fighting nature, man versus nature, yo. Inside of you is a beast. There's a beast waiting to be unleashed. You want to sit down. Let's finish the hike. Let's finish the hike.
Finish line! You did it! There's water here for you. Was mine.
Oh, it's done.
No, the ones there.
It's a no. Charlie. Charlie, friends, send me. I'll talk to them later. Why? After an excruciating bike ride, something I'm getting palm wine over here. I don't know if y'all can see it. There's a Samta with a 1 CD. We are getting palm wine because we can't come and kill ourselves. Actually, let's be honest with ourselves here. So we're just trying to get something to refresh, and then we're gonna get fufu or something.
Your energy is back, yeah.
Charlie, today has just been very tiring but good. 10 over 10 experience for sure.
Would recommend?
Would recommend, but would not come back. Yeah. So we're getting our. Okay, it's here.